Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just back from shopping. Well, I say shopping, I didn't really actually get a lot, to be fair. I had in mind to go and get some holiday bits, but literally there was nothing in the shops, which is really frustrating when you go in and you think you're gonna get loads of stuff and you end up coming home with one bikini. I don't know, I'm not even like that much of a fan of the bikini in itself because I wanted the high waist bottoms, but they didn't have any. But the top looks nice, so I just thought I'd pick it up. It was a tenner in Primark, so bargain. I've been doing my healthy eating now for about a month, which I've had a few times where I've kind of gone off plan. If you don't know, I'm following like the Slimming World plan, not to a T, but slightly, so I kind of know in my head how many sins things are, etc. So I've just kind of tried to follow that plan, but I haven't been able to keep on top of it with like eating out and stuff like that. Today I ate well for breakfast and lunch, and then I ended up having a Starbucks iced coffee because I cannot resist. I just need like a little caffeine kick when I start to feel a bit tired. Like now I'm gonna have a coffee as well because I'm absolutely knackered. I don't know what's wrong with me. I went on a big walk today with the dog, so we did 4k, oh my god, no, 4 kilometers, which is like, I think it's like 6,500 steps. Like I don't know why I'm one of them people that are following steps. I'm not, but I just looked at it on an app to see. Yeah, so for breakfast and lunch I ate okay, and then oh yeah, with the Starbucks I had half of a muffin as well, which was like the new toffee popcorn muffin, and I literally am obsessed with toffee popcorn. That's like one of my favorite things to eat, so of course I had to try that. It wasn't actually that nice. I felt like it wasn't worth it after I ate it and just felt a bit disappointed in myself, but I'm gonna get back on track now and I'm gonna have a nice healthy dinner. Might make pasta or chicken and veg or something, I don't know, something quick and easy because I can't bother cooking. That's pretty much it. I'll show you what I got actually. So this is the bikini that I got. It's like this burgundy colour, and I love like the fact it's got these little ring detailing on, where is that? Oh, the back. Yeah, the back. So it's like a triangle bikini, but it's a little bit lower, so it's got like it's almost like a bralette kind of style. It's got this little band underneath and it just sits a little bit more flattering on. Bottoms are these, so again they've got the little ring detailing at the sides as well, so I really like that. So we're going on Sunday and I really want to pack already, but I feel like that might be a bit too soon. I'm gonna go downstairs now and make a cup on tea. Excuse all the washing everywhere, by the way. I haven't had time to clear it up. Where's my little Reek? Where's my little Rico? What you doing? What are you doing? Come on then, let's go. Quickly down, come on. Quickly, get down. Quick down, come on. Oh, no, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the dressing gown. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're a good boy, aren't you? Oh, are you a good boy? Yeah, come on then. Oh, there's a good boy as well. Hello. What are you doing? FIFA. Should have guessed. What are you doing?
Not my fault.
Not you. What are you doing, Rico? You like this little troll, don't you? Oh, my little baby. Oh, my little baby. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. Can you relax, please? You gonna calm down? No chance. No chance. There's no chance, is there? Come on, down you go. Rico, calm down. Jesus. What's wrong with you? So, I'm just currently on Boohoo, trying to find some nice holiday clothes. I love that yellow bag. That's so nice. And them yellow shoes. I literally have an obsession with yellow. Like, my winter jacket was yellow. What else I got yellow? I just bought a top the other day that was yellow. It's more like a mustard yellow that I like rather than like, I don't really like this lemony. So I've just finished filming a video, and yeah, for the night I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm literally gonna go down and probably make some dinner, even though I'm not even hungry. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Like, not that that's wrong, like I'm glad I'm not hungry as usual, because usually I'm starving all the time. No, I'm gonna go make something though, just because I want to keep eating before I get to the point that, not keep eating, but keep like make something before the point where I get absolutely starving, so then I'll like literally eat the press. I'll eat the fridge, like literally the full fridge. I'm gonna probably make like some pasta or something. For dinner I decided on making some pasta with pesto. Excuse me. What's up with you? What are you eating down there? What did you find? Yeah, you weak. You okay? Yes, I'm gonna make some pesto. Wait, what is it? Pasta with pesto. So I'm gonna get out. Got my penne. Put that down there. Pesto. As the low-fat green pesto. Apparently that's not too bad for you if you're on Slimming World, but I'm not really doing the stins and things right now. I'm literally just throwing something together. Oh, clearly screaming, it's just Michael screaming at the, not the Xbox, the PlayStation. Oh, and also ignore the mess of like the laundry over here. It's on the table, I have to take it all upstairs. That's like my worst job that I hate to do, is with that washing away. But I don't know if I call it laundry, it sounds so American. Yeah, you probably can't hear me because the cat. I just sorted out the house basically and tidied most downstairs. Like, I don't know what it is, it takes longer for me to clean and tidy downstairs than it does upstairs. Although tomorrow morning, I'm off again tomorrow, I need to focus on upstairs, sorting out the washing. And yeah, just probably hoover all upstairs as well, so I'll probably vlog a little bit tomorrow. And then I'm going out for lunch with my grandparents, and I'll probably bring the dog for another walk because he went for a walk this morning, which is really nice, just to get out of the house and to get him out in some fresh air. But he was absolutely knackered afterwards. I literally had to carry him halfway. And I thought like everyone's gonna start looking at him like this, looking at me as if I'm a weird dog lady carrying my dog, but he was literally KO'd on the floor. Yeah. If anyone else has pugs, they know that they can't really do a lot in the heat. Like, to be fair, I probably shouldn't have brought him. I didn't realise how warm it was because it was overcast. But then when the sun came out and stuff, I felt really sorry for him. Sorry, you can probably hear all the sizzling and stuff. But yeah, you're okay now, Rico, aren't you? You're okay now. How are you doing? Good? You gonna sit down? You gonna sit down? Go on then, sit down. Sit down. Good boy, you're so clever. You tilting your head? Yeah. You're gorgeous little boy. You're a beautiful little boy. You are. You are, Rico. You're my best friend. You're my bestest boy, aren't you? Oh, did you have a nice day? You did. Yeah, I'm probably going to leave the video here now. Sorry if it was short. Yeah, I'll hopefully get in the habit of vlogging a little bit more. Like, it is a little bit nerve-wracking when you're not really used to doing it. And plus, I don't want to get slagged by Michael too much, you know. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And I'll see you in my next video.